You only have to get stuff.
These typically only survive 40 days.
No, out of body. Yeah, so they actually have like a bigger budget.
Oh, there we are. Yeah, I see her.
She has a bigger hump on her back. And you'll see all these eggs like clustered on the side. Like they're trying their best, but they can't. And they can only lay male bees because they're not fertilized. She's the only one that actually goes out and mates with the drones. And the drones are the boys. They don't have stingers, and they mate in the air. So they have bigger eyes and bigger wings so that they can catch the queens out in the air and mate with them. And as soon as they mate with them.
Is it true that
You only have to get stuff.